So today I'm going to do some molding with the Gedeo alginate molding kit. I think it's pronounced alginate, molding kit. I have used this already. Normally it is quite full, but I have actually still have quite a bit. I use this. I originally bought this kit as because I had this idea to give a special gift to a special friend. So I have actually molded. It is very skin safe. I have molded one of my mountains, let's say, and my south of the border, as a sort of romantic special gift for someone. So considering I have done that, there's still quite a bit left. So today there isn't really any object I'd like to mold, so I think I'm just going to mold a finger, and then I'm going to, instead of pouring plaster into the mold, I'm actually going to press some air dry clay inside. So this one's the super light kind. I got it from Hobbycraft for about £1. Yeah, so I'm gonna, I feel like it actually takes the texture produced by the mold quite well. At least it did for my So let's get started. It is however much amount of powder you put, twice as much water. So if I were to put, so I'm going to use that as a container to mold my finger. I don't imagine I need that much. If I put, let's say 15 grams, 18 grams of powder. How much I still have left? Let's do that later. 18 grams of powder. I've got some water here. So then, oh. Okay. Then double the amount of water. Now I'm gonna grab something to stir. Kind of looks like porridge. I've got like this kind of a consistency. I don't know if you can see much. Okay, my finger doesn't quite fit in there, so I think I'm gonna do a thumb. I should have poured a little bit more powder, but it's okay. I'm gonna do a thumb. So I'm just gonna. So ideally I should have put a little bit more powder inside and maybe filled it to the rim. I wanted to get a finger in there, but that would, yeah, that would, I do not have enough mixture. It's not deep enough. So I have a thumb in here now, and even with the thumb it wasn't quite enough mixture. So I am tilting the jar ever so slightly, and I'm going to keep it like this for 10 minutes so that all the mixture is to one side and there's a bit more depth, so that I have more room to get my thumb in, if that makes sense. Stay. Good boy. Well done. Well done. Okay, so it ended up looking like this after I removed my thumb. It is a bit thin at the end. yeah, so it ended up looking like this, and now I'm going to take the air dry clay, I'm going to press into it, and hopefully that will come out nicely. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the air dry clay, I think that should be enough, and I'm going to press it into the mold. There you go. I did 2, but like I said, you can only see. I barely got my thumb. I needed more mixture, but I really like it because it really gets details, and it's even got a bit of my fingerprint on it, which I will show you with a picture. So yeah, I hope this was helpful and interesting in some way. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them. And thank you for watching.